The amazing eruption of the Stromboli volcano in the southern Italy has attracted a lot of attention. As you can see in this night image, tourists are actually flocking, going up the mountain just to witness this unique phenomenon. In the original environment that the volcano is actually erupting at the same time as you are climbing or descending from the mountain. This is an island in the southern part of the Italy, near Sicily. It's part of the Sicily administration. As you can see, it's erupting. The Strombolian eruptions are named after this. It means the eruption of the fountains of the lava because they have lots of water in them. They erupt with this kind of explosive reaction. And what they happen is that they throw this lava 200-300 meters into the air, and then it forms a lava flow. During the night, it glows, of course. When we look in the daylight, it's something different. We see that they're actually like a normal lava, as we expect. Nighttime eruptions can be explosive also, as you can see here in this case. This was just recently. And during the day, as I mentioned, you see that the summit of the volcano, it has some pits. It doesn't have a crater as such. There are pits there, and these pits erupt actually, like this one. It's a small scale Strombolian eruption, not very big, probably half a meter, 1 meter, but yet it is a eruptive. It is a volcano in that sense. As the island, you can see in this eastern part of it is actually inhabited. You can go there. The restaurants, alleyways, like all the time that's what you see in Italy. This is Africa pushing against the Eurasian plate, going under it. And when it gets melted, the crust of the earth comes back as the lava, as the magma which changes to lava and comes back and in an eruptive way glows into the sky.